AP Biology students, I want to go over the answer to question 5, AP review question for our test involving, and this question involves cellular respiration. An agricultural biologist was evaluating two newly developed varieties of wheat as potential crops. In an experiment, seedlings were germinated on moist paper towels at 20 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. Oxygen consumption of the 2-day-old seedlings was measured at different temperatures. The data are shown in the graph below. When I copy and pasted this, so it's a little blurry, but I think you can get the gist of the graph. So again, when you read graphs, always recognize the axes first. So on the time, the x-axis on the time on the x-axis as the independent variable, and then oxygen consumption in milliliters on the y-axis as the dependent variable, and then you have the unfilled in items as variety. The boxes as variety A at 2 different temps, and the circles as plant variety B at different temps. So just before we even look at the question, we can recognize when we compare the lower temps to the higher temps, in both the higher temps, they will consume more oxygen, which means at higher temps, cellular respiration is proceeding at a faster rate than at the lower temps. And then you can get a quick view that the circles are going to be, and it's hard to see, I know, the circles are higher than the squares. So variety B proceeds at a faster rate than variety A. So let's answer the question. Explain the relationship between metabolism and oxygen consumption. Discuss the effect of temperature on metabolism for each variety of seedlings. 1 point for the explanation of the relationship. So this is just in reading the graph, in that you can say as metabolism increases, oxygen consumption increases, or you could go the other route and say as metabolism decreases, oxygen consumption decreases. You don't have to state anything about variety A or variety B in this situation, because in both this statement applies. So 1 point for that. And then discuss the effects for each variety. So you're describing the graph, and this would be 3 points. So point number 1, variety A, the rate of metabolism increases with an increase in temperature, and variety B, the rate of metabolism increases with an increase in temperature. So for variety A and variety B, they both increase their metabolism when the temperature increases. Number 2, variety B has a higher metabolism than variety A for either temperature. So this would be the circles increase higher on the graph than the squares. And then finally, you can talk about how increases in temperature impact kinetic energy increases. So reaction rates will increase as enzymes will work better for this, and that will impact the electron transport chain in metabolism and producing the ATP. And so 4 points total. And you can see the answer to review question number 5. Hopefully that helps, and I'll talk to you all later.